It's easy to disconnect with what our bodies are feeling or sensing when life is so fast paced and overstimulating so often. Sometimes it can feel like there are only two ways to deal with the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm. One, keep trying to avoid it, ignore it, or two, give in and just let it take over, right? Kind of giving up. Unless, of course, some magical huge fix pops its way in and just fixes everything. But in the absence of that, there's another route. There is another route to take that's less boom, glam, sham, ram, or damn. It's a more strategic, present focused way that requires micro steps for a longer term gain. It's not flashy or fancy, but it's effective. And it requires us to practice noticing the sensations of our bodies. And so, one way to do this is through touch. One way to begin becoming more aware of the sensations of our bodies, what our bodies are feeling, is to use touch. So, let's try it. There are many ways we go about using touch, but today let's try some pressure. So, first, allow yourself, make sure that you're in a space that is safe for you to sit, lay, rest, just be in a physically comfortable position and become aware of your body. Is it numb? Is it energized? What's it like right now? So, become aware of your body. And then bring your attention to a particular part of your body. So for me, I'm going to choose my face. Maybe you choose your neck or your shoulders, your arms or your legs, your feet or your calves, your stomach, your back, your thighs, your seat. You get to choose. So I'm going to choose my face. Notice how that particular part of your body feels right now, just here and now. Numb, tingly, vibrating, static, heavy, light, relaxed, tight. Just notice how that feels. And then you're going to take your hands and place your hands gently on that part of your body. So I'm placing my hands kind of like at the bottom of my ears and the sides of my face and rub. Do a sensation or movement that feels good or right to you if rubbing is not it. But I'm doing rubbing. I'm going to take a moment to notice how that actually feels, the sensation of it. So this feels very soothing and comforting to me right now. And notice if that movement, that touch on that body part changes the initial sensation that you noticed there. Is it different? And go ahead and pause your hands to notice if it's changed, if it's different at all. So for me right now, it feels lighter. And then when you're ready, you'll take your hands and you'll apply pressure. Not pressure that's harmful, but pressure that you can feel with your hands onto that part of your body. Notice the sensation there. What does it feel like on that part of your body as it receives this pressured touch from you? And maybe you need to deepen the pressure, move the hands, or lighten the pressure. Just notice. I like to close my eyes when I do this. You can have your eyes open or closed. And then when you're ready, allow your hands to drop and simply check in on that body part. Notice the sensation. And there you go, just in a few minutes. You've increased your awareness of your body sensations. You've taken some time to honor yourself, your relationship with yourself, your relationship with your body. And you've begun to help your system decrease the stress, anxiety, overwhelm feeling that it can feel. You can come back and practice this at any time. This 5-6 minute practice.